Tila napagtripan naman ni President Donald Trump itong si PBBM matapos sabihin nito na strong negotiator daw di umano ang ating Pangulo matapos nitong matapyasan ng 1% ang 20% na taripa na ipinataw ni Trump sa ating gobyerno. Ayon kay Trump, ganito daw tayo kamahal ng ating Pangulo, subalit mababatid natin ang pagtawa ng mga tao na nandoon sa palasyo.
Well, it's tough. He's a very tough negotiator. So far, we're not there because he's negotiating too tough. In fact, I used to like him better than I do now. He's too tough. But we'll probably agree to something. But he's strong, a strong negotiator. He loves your country.